you feeling? Hi. How's it going? Hello. Is everyone here today?
Yes.
Everyone is here?
Yes.
Fantastic. Yeah, we had so many absence. We had three. That was Friday, and then Monday, and then so Aiden. We're waiting for Aiden, Chloe, and what's this? Well, yeah, that's for Chinese New Year. You know the door decoration?
House.
Yeah. You can't mess that up because the grade 9 is going to put that on the door at lunchtime.
That means you don't need to be
Yeah.
make after.
Okay, guys. While we're waiting, can you help me? Let's look at this picture here. What do we see? What do you see in this picture?
Human,
Hmm?
the farmer or the
Farmer.
farmer.
Which one is a farmer? On the right. And on the left? Hi. Hunter-gatherer. Alright, great. Aiden, is he on his way? Where's Aiden? What class did you use? 9 years. Okay. Welcome back, everyone. Everyone is here. I'm so happy, except for Aiden. He's on his way. So, guys, there are two images here, right? What are we going to talk about? What have we been studying? We're studying the what? Some revolution. What's it called? Very good. Right? What is the Neolithic Revolution? Or the Agricultural Revolution? What was that? What happened? Very good. When we started to farm, it was the shift, Coco, right? We're moving from hunting, gathering to farming, right? So this led to many changes. This was a very important moment in history. Hi, have a seat. So my question is, how did people live before farming and after farming? Any key differences? What happened? What happened? Okay. Okay. Good. In which, okay, let me show you another image, okay? I'll show you another image now. There's a difference now in life. When we were hunter-gatherers, what type of work did people do in a hunting-gathering society? Yeah, right? Hunting wild animals, what else? Very good. Gathering plants, good. Were we mobile or did we have permanent settlements? Were we nomadic or did we have permanent settlements? What does that mean? What does it mean to be nomadic? Very good. Moving from one place to another. Why were we moving from one place to another? For different resources. Good. For food, for plants, for animals, finding more resources, right? We couldn't just stay in one place. But with farming, what happened? Were we nomadic? Were we moving from one place to another? Or did we have permanent settlements? Yes. We had permanent settlements. That means we lived in one place and we started to do many more things. Okay, so today we're going to be looking at this big question of how did the agricultural revolution lead to the rise of complex societies? How did farming make us have more complex societies? That's the big question for today's lesson. For this, we have some key words that we need to understand. But what we're going to do is, I want you to use some key historical vocabulary today. We're going to do some key words, focus on key words, and I want you to use them. I want you to try to understand cause and effect. The cause and effect of the Neolithic Revolution, of farming. What were the causes and effects? More specifically, the effects. What was the consequence of farming, of agriculture? Complex societies. Farming, complex societies. Agricultural revolution, complex societies. Right?
in the Mandarin class.
Oh, okay, no problem. Okay? And guys, I want you to think about how farming, how the Neolithic Revolution, how agricultural revolution led to change. It made more complex societies, right? It led to social, political, and economic change. Okay? Okay, so for now, to start with, guys, I'm going to give you guys a moment. Work with or just work by yourselves. There are 12 keywords here. And there are some simple definitions. So I want you to try to help me match the keywords with the definitions. Okay? Try to match the words. Also, later on, you're going to need your notebooks, so I'm just going to pass these out to you for later. You need your notebook for a later activity. Very good. Yeah, I'm going to check that later at the end of the class. So keep because I'm going to ask you to do another class. Yeah, 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 that's fine. No problem. If you guys want to write in your notebooks, that's fine, or in your tablet. Aiming is to try to control, because they're wild. Animals can be wild, so when we try to control an animal to make them calmer, to make them listen to us. Yeah, very good.
What's this name?
Stapler?
Stapler?
Yeah. I think this should work, or this one. Okay, guys, I'm going to give you guys a few, maybe 2 or 3 more minutes, and then we're going to work together to match them. Okay, work with each other, help each other out now, and see if you guys have similar or different ones. You have a difference for 12. For 12, you guys, complex society, why is it different? Decide, have a look and see if